Dear students, I am delighted to conduct the lectures of course entitled, System Design, during this semester. Kindly be informed that, the voice accompanied with the lectures is generated using an automated text-to-speech tool. And now, let's review together the course contents. Chapter 1, Moving from Analysis to Design. Chapter 2, Architecture Design. Chapter 3, User Interface Design. Chapter 4, Program Design. Chapter 5, Data Storage Design. Introduction. System design is the process of defining the architecture, components, and interfaces of a system so that it meets specified requirements. It's a crucial step in building any complex system, whether it's a software application, a hardware system, or a combination of both. Now, let us start with Chapter 1 entitled, Moving from Analysis to Design. Let us discuss the chapter outlines. 1. Transition from requirements to design. 2. System acquisition strategies. The first strategy is custom development. The second strategy is packaged software. The third strategy is outsourcing. 3. Influences on the acquisition strategies. 4. Selecting an acquisition strategy. The design phase decides how the new system will operate. The design phase develops the system requirements that describe details for building the system. In other words, the design phase in system development is where the blueprint for the new system is created. It's like an architect drawing up plans for a building. This phase takes the requirements gathered in earlier stages and turns them into a detailed plan that developers can use to build the system. Transition from requirement to design. The purpose of the analysis phase is to figure out what the business needs. The purpose of the design phase is to decide how to build it. So, during the initial part of design, the business requirements are converted into system requirements that describe the technical details for building the system. It's worth noting that the system requirements are communicated through a collection of design documents and physical process and data models. Here are some of the main activities in the design phase. 1. Determine preferred system acquisition strategy, such as make, buy, or outsource. 2. Design the architecture for the system. 3. Make hardware and software selections. 4. Hardware and software specification. 5. Design system navigation, inputs, and outputs. 6. Design the way in which data will be stored. At the end of the design phase, the final deliverable called system specification is created. System specification outline contains 1. Recommended system acquisition strategy. 2. Architecture design. 3. Hardware and software specification. 4. Interface design. 5. Physical process model. 6. Program design specifications. 7. Physical data model. 8. Data storage design. System acquisition strategies. There are three primary ways to approach the creation of a new system. 1. Develop a custom application in-house. 2. Buy a packaged system and, possibly, customize it. 3. Rely on an external vendor, developer, or service provider to build or provide the system, outsourcing. In the next lecture, we will discuss the three primary system acquisition strategies in details. Until we meet again, wish you all the best.